Hi, this is your Professor Sudha Kolathuparambil, section 8.5, determining which method to use. So it has one objective, determining which method to use when constructing a confidence interval. So one of the challenges in constructing a confidence interval is to determine which method to use. First step is to determine which type of parameter we are estimating. There are three types of parameter for which we have learned to construct the confidence interval. One is population mean, mu. Second is the population proportion, p. And the third one is the population standard deviation, sigma, or variance, sigma square. Once you have determined which type of parameter you are estimating, proceed as follows. If you are estimating population mean, mu, there are two methods for constructing the confidence interval. One is the Z method, other one is the T method. So to determine which method to use, we must determine whether the population standard deviation is known or not. So if it is known, then we will check whether n is greater than 30. If n is greater than 30, use Z method. If n is not greater than 30, then we will check whether the population is approximately normal. If it is approximately normal, then we can use the Z method. If not, we need to consult a statistician. So we can see that if sigma is known and if n is greater than 30, or if the population is approximately normal, we can use the Z method. This is explained in section 8.1. If sigma is unknown, then we will check is n is greater than 30. If it is greater than 30, then use the T method. If not, we will check is the population is approximately normal or not. If it is yes, then we will use the T method. Otherwise, we need to consult a statistician. We can use T method if sigma is unknown and if n is greater than 30 or if the population is approximately normal. This method is explained in section 8.2. So now you learn how to determine which method to use to construct the confidence interval for the population mean. So for population mean, we have two methods, Z method or T method. So this is explained in section 8.1 and this is explained in section 8.2. So here sigma is known and here sigma unknown. So we use T method when sigma is unknown. Both the cases we need to check whether n is greater than 30 or the population is approximately normal. Constructing the confidence interval for the population proportion, use the method described in section 8.3. To construct the confidence interval for standard deviation sigma or variance sigma square, use the method described in section 8.4. This was based on the chi-square distribution.